welcome to my birthday vlog. So today, birthday po natin. So I supposed to have a birthday celebration today. However, may mga reasons kung bakit hindi siya natuloy. So I'll just do this vlog and sana magustuhan niya. Guys, so I'll be celebrating my birthday here at Jollibee Singapore. Admiralty. I know it's Woodlands. So Woodlands Jollibee. So only two of us, Daddy and me. Hi. Hey, Daddy. Say hi. Ano mo order? So, ano mong order? Pa-order. So, one Jolly spaghetti with chicken, and then with free add on rice, and then one chicken burger steak. Dali mo ha kay juice mo ha, pineapple juice. So that's our order, guys. So what can you say about? What can you say? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my wife.
Dear Wapi.
Love you.
Love you too. So guys, ito na po yung order namin. Jollibee. So let's open it up. Wow. Jollibee chicken burger. Wow. Spaghetti. That's all, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.